Have you heard of Myssage? The name quite literally means my massage. It's a do-it-yourself massage technique, and anyone can do it. You don't have to be a massage therapist or a yogi or an athlete or even be aware of anatomy to use this technique. All you need is a set of Myssage balls and you can massage yourself, using gravity and your own body weight to create pressure that gets into the deep tissue. The word fascia is a new buzzword in the world of self-care, and for good reason. New studies have found that fascia is an integral piece of information regarding our body's health and well-being. The connective tissue, until recently, was thought to be a three-dimensional net that held our bodies together, and that was its only function. Ligaments and tendon don't just hold the body together. They actively participate in movement. They have sensory nerves that transmit information about joint position to the spinal cord and the brain. Many people will seek relief in a muscle massage when the body experiences soreness or pain. A muscle massage will feel good, but it does not get to the deeper problem, which is in the connective tissue. The connective tissue can become weak and brittle, much like a rubber band does with age. When this happens, sensory nerves housed within the tissue cannot send and receive accurate messages from the brain. The body's system of communication becomes compromised, and with the breakdown of this communication comes the eventual breakdown of your health and your well-being. The practice of Myssage returns your fascia to its moist condition by rehydrating the tissue. Rehydration occurs by creating pressure and adding movement. These gentle organic movements under pressure have the effect of melting the adhesions in the matrix of the fascia that have become brittle and softening the tissue back to a healthy state. In this soft environment, messages move fluidly between the body and the brain. If you imagine what it feels like to wear a shirt that is 2 sizes too small all day, this is what hardened fascia feels like, restricted. Now imagine the comfort of changing into a shirt that fits. This is how you feel after Myssage. There is an undeniable feeling of freedom and space. Even your breath softens with the release of restriction. Any healthy relationship begins with clear communication. The same can be said about the relationship between the body and the mind. Myssage opens the lines of communication so that your body doesn't just function on autopilot, it thrives, and you become a channel for its communication. With Myssage as a tool in your life, you do not have to live in pain or with discomfort, and you can take your body back.